Question number 4 says that in one fortnight of a given month, there was a rainfall of 10 centimeters in a river valley. If the area of the valley is 7,280 kilometers square, we have to show that the total rainfall was approximately equivalent to the addition to the normal water of 3 rivers each, which are 1,072 kilometers long, 75 meters wide and 3 meters deep. So to start with, we'll write the area of the valley, which is given in the question as 7,280 kilometer square. Now we'll find the level rise in the water in the valley, which can be taken as h, and as it is given in the question as 10 centimeters, we equate h to 10 centimeters, but we'll try to convert this into kilometers. So we divide 10 by 1 lakh so that we can convert it into kilometers, and that gives us the answer as 1 over 10,000 kilometers. Now that we have found out the level in the rise of water and we already know the area of the valley, we can find the volume or the amount of rainfall that happened in the fortnight, and that will be equal to area times the rise, which is h. So let's substitute the values. 7,280 times 1 over 10,000, and that gives us the answer as 0.728 kilometer cube. So this is the volume of water that was there in the valley when it rained fortnight. Now we'll be calculating the volume of water that we have in the 3 rivers for which the dimensions have been given. So we'll find out the volume of water in 3 rivers to be equal to 3 times LBH, where L represents length, B represents width, and H represents the height or the depth. So it will be 3 times 1072. The width has been given in meters, so we'll convert that into kilometers. So 75 divided by 1000 times 3 meters is the depth, so we'll again convert that into kilometers. So 3 divided by 1000, and that gives us the volume of the 3 rivers as 0.7236 kilometer cube. So if we observe carefully, the amount of rainfall in fortnight, which was 0.728 kilometer cube, is approximately equal to the volume of water in 3 rivers, which is 0.7236 kilometer cube. So we have shown that the total rainfall was approximately equivalent to the addition to the normal water of 3 rivers.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.